The final part of the leave request system is the administrator section. A logged in administrator can get to the leave approval by clicking on Tools, Leave Approval. As you can see, this form is very similar to the Employees section. All these submitted requests that this administrator can approve are right here. And for the selected request, you can see the days on the calendar as well as down below. Now, as before, we talked about conflicts, and to show the conflicts for the selected request, you can click on this. And you can see the gray axes, which denote conflicts. But as an administrator, you can get much more detailed information by clicking on Show Conflicts. Here you can see the fact that there are several conflicts on Thursday, a couple conflicts on Friday. Because you're an administrator, you have access to more specific information than the employee level. Finally, an administrator has to decide what they want to do with this request. There are three possible options: approve, deny, or redraft. Redraft is basically when an administrator wants to approve part of the request but not the whole thing. For example, in this case, the administrator would put that comment in there and resubmit it by clicking on the redraft button to the employee. The employee would then take a look at his request and decide what he wants to do from there. Or the next option for the administrator is to simply deny the request. In this case, the request would be denied and the response would be sent back to the employee. Finally, the administrator can approve the request. And he might say something like this. When a request is approved, the requested days overwrite any absences that may already be on that day for that employee. And whether it's approved, denied, or redrafted, a response email will be emailed back to the employee. In this case, let's just go ahead and approve it. And the response is emailed successfully.